Welcome! How to make flatbread, popularly known as pizza. Get your bread flour, add your salt, add your sugar, then add your yeast. Mix everything together. Add water to form the dough. I use 300 ml for the 350 grams of bread flour. After the dough has been formed, I'm going to use my hands to knead it. Knead it well. If you don't have machine, use your hands. It is free. After kneading it, we are going to prove it for about 1 hour or 45 minutes, depending on where you place it. You have to place it in a warm place. If you finish and you are tired, sit down and rest more. After it has been proved for about 1 hour, we are going to continue. After it has been proved, we have to knead it again. The size or the shape of a pizza depends on your choice. You can make it round, rectangular, triangle, any shape of your choice. You have to spread little oil on the tray before putting the flat bread or the pizza. Then add your sauce, your tomato sauce. Even if you have contomere stew, wait till I add it. Then add your cheese, add your mushroom, add your dandelion leaves. After everything, you have to add the cheese on it again. It was raining, yeah. Now it is ready. Your flat bread is ready. Your pizza. After it has been cooked at 150 degrees Celsius for about 1 hour. I'm going to enjoy it with hibiscus drink. If you want to know how to make hibiscus drink, search my video, Safubafo hibiscus drink. Thank you for watching Safubafo TV. Oh, if today is your first time, please subscribe.